Presenting Beauty Makeup Tools 5-in-1 Ear Cleaning Kit. Beauty is not only outer appearance. This small box helps you to clean your ear properly. When we open the box, there are 5 tools for cleaning ears and 1 brush to clean the tools. Every tool having their different work. All the tools are for breaking, collecting and removing dust particles and wax from the ear. After cleaning the ears, this brush helps to clean your tools for further use. These 5 tools helps you to hear your valuable compliments. Link is in the description. Don't forget to buy.